everybody, good morning. So we just had our breakfast. It was a very lovely breakfast. So today is beautiful sunny day. Finally, after few days, it's raining a lot in Bali and Nusa Penida. Yes, today is the day. We will explore the island and then we will show you what you can actually do in the island and where to go to explore the island. I can't wait for that. So yeah, let's go.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most popular spot in whole entire world, at least in Bali, in Indonesia. T-Rex, or actually Clinking Beach, people coming from all around the world to Bali and then to another island, Nusa Penida, to having pictures with this beautiful landscape. It's really beautiful, worth the hassle. Even the weather is not really good, but it's really nice. And also you have to find the spot where I am, because it's not many people here, so you have to walk a little bit more up north and you're gonna find this. Highly recommended, beautiful place. Sayang, where are you? What do you think? Just don't jump, huh?
No. I just look at the small stairs where the people mostly, going down. And then, I just keep asking myself that, am I there enough to get down and go to the beach there? No. I know that is a white sand beach and many people coming there. But for me, I just prefer to take a picture here.
I've been here like really a lot of times.
Honey, don't get closer. My feet are shaky.
It's okay. Don't break my audio. But this is the most extreme I could go. I will never go down. It's so hardcore. I mean, like really hard. But beautiful place. I hope so. It's the good view like this one.
Clinking Beach, the most famous, iconic, spot wherever you are going to Nusa Penida. Let's see how it is now. Maybe because of the weather, bad weather in Bali, not many people, but normally it was packed of people. Let's go there.
Let's go. Yo, what's up? Oh, it's just going away. Here you go, but there are quite many of them. That's one of the attractions. Monkeys here and the cliff itself. This is like a morning chill, looks like, at the edge. I think it's cold for them actually a little bit because the wind.
Some people are down there.
By the way, look at the color of the water. How nice is it? Actually nice weather right now, because you see there's rain, but not yet here. Sunshine and people down there. This is, I don't know, impressive and crazy at the same time. What I gonna tell you.
Sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
Alright, the monkey's climbing trees, so be careful. And then I will show you a little bit what's going on here. The monkeys on the tree, people are coming here mostly to having pictures, obviously, with the cliff. A lot of monkeys here actually. Check this out and try to avoid them a little bit because they have babies. They might be a little bit aggressive, but there's so many of them. And here monkey chilling, and this is like Instagram versus reality a little bit. So many people trying to make beautiful pictures, what you see on Instagram and everywhere.
Well, actually, they have a professional photographer also here.
Oh yeah, but because overall the cliff is there, right? And the people are coming, making pictures. Oh, look at this one. The guy is climbing the tree to make it the professional shot. In case if you're interested, curious why people have a nice pictures and you cannot make it, this is because of the guy is doing like this one. Funny. Maybe it's so funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is how does it work over here. Yo, what's up? Chilling like a lazy Saturday morning. Chilling and watching what's cracking here. Here we go. This is it. And yeah, some are here baby monkeys as well. Oh, that's the regular life of the monkeys here in Clinking Beach. Clinking Beach is down there.
Oh,
Whoa,
babe,
what's
babe.
going on? Why she's going so fast there?
All right, so we just arrived to the second destination, which is Angels Billabong and also Broken Beach. This is actually, these two places, the two most iconic place whenever you plan to go to the west trip. So basically when you are in Nusa Penida, they divided the trip into west trip or east trip. So basically today we are visiting these two places for west trip one. Let's go, the Angels Billabong.
So basically what we have here, the Angel Billabong, is the rock formation, then the wild waters from the Indian Ocean hitting the rocks, the cliffs. And sometimes when it's high tide and the big storm, probably like yesterday, the waves are like hitting very much. Many people also die here, unfortunately, if they are too risky. Like this guy, for example, during the storm, he may be waved away with the water. So be careful, because there are not any barriers like in the Western countries. Everything is very natural, very, you're gonna get closer anyway, but not too close anyways. So this is the Angels Billabong. Actually, there is like a natural pools, but overall, whoa, so many people coming here to making pictures, but make it sure you really stay safe and keep safe, because this is not like in, like I said already, in more Western countries where will be nice barriers and there's so many, like everything will be nice. It's still very natural. So unfortunately, there were some people who fall down, the wave took them away and they die. So we don't want to listen, hear this again, of course. Whoa, look at this one. You see that? This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. And the ocean is powerful. That's really powerful thing. But beautiful, definitely worth to come. And also, if something happened to you, this is the sign of the Kelungkung Regency, because of course Nusa Penida belongs to Bali, to the Kelungkung Regency. All activities at your own risk. If you fall down, this one, the wave gonna take you, too bad. So be careful. And also people saying Angel Billabong because they are, natural pools here. I will not brave enough to go there because I'm not really into swimming. Long time ago there were stairs and the people were coming, but as I said, few people died, so nobody is going there anymore. But this is how does it look like. And yeah, beautiful place. And also behind these rocks is the Broken Beach. We are gonna go soon. By the way, really not so many people, Sayang, isn't it? Very quiet. Was the big wave and sort of much water came here. The water came here, and if you swim there, you could be washed away if you are bad swimmer. And yeah, and this guy with the cigarette having a good picture, especially with his cig, with this.
Look at this one, you see? This is why you are not allowed to swim anymore. Somehow the water will come and take you away.
Take you away. Also, all of those girls who are at the edge, they also on your own risk, okay? And this, I don't want to witness. But yeah, and the photographer also, brave. This is what was the people doing in general.
All right, so this is it. We just arrived in a Broken Beach. This is the world famous Broken Beach. Whenever you come to Nusa Penida and want to have a picture with a beautiful lagoon behind, and like yeah, you see, this is called the Broken Beach because it's just like broken behind, the broken reef, the broken cliff, basically.
And broken road as well, by the way.
And the broken road to come here. So whenever you come here and you drive your own scooter, make sure that you are very skillful with that. because it's very broken.
But it's beautiful, beautiful.
Yes,
It's
amazing.
like this. Also, I'm gonna show you here is also another one nice spot. Waves are sometimes pretty hard.
Oh,
And,
that's a turtle.
where?
I saw that one turtle.
Oh yeah, there is the turtle as well. Yeah. Nice. Actually, this is nice spot overall. Very beautiful place. We can go also around there. It is actually pretty enjoyable, guys, in Nusa Penida recently. I don't know, maybe because the weather is not the best and not so many people coming here. However, yesterday weather was really sucks, to be honest, but now it's really nice. The nice wind, actually wind is very strong, and you know, sunny and not too many people. It's really enjoyable. Okay, that was the most characteristic places on West Nusa Penida. Now we're gonna go to a very nice cafe on the other side, but it's nearby in the center of Nusa Penida. See you there.
All right, so here is the restaurant where we will have our lunch today. So basically it's a very, you know, cozy place, and what I can say that mostly the young people are here enjoying the time, you know, lazy time by the beach and having lunch, something like that. So yeah, this is the place basically. A very nice, comfy restaurant with a coffee shop, and we also, you know, will order coffee after this. And yeah, I'll show you from the outside, just like, you know, island life basically. So yeah, this is it, the place. All right, this is our day, basically our trip. You know, we were in the Clinking Beach, we were in Anjali Bilabongs, and it's time to have a lunch. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.